Hi everyone, Carl here from Air Pure Shop, and I'm here to introduce to you for the very first time our complete mini split cleaning kit, the first of its kind on the market. For our kit, we've selected a 1.5 liter sprayer can where you'll put 1 parts New Calgon Evaporator C to 2 parts water. We also have this green tab here by New Calgon, which lasts 4 to 6 months, will help you prevent slime and sludge buildup. It's completely eco-friendly and great for preventing bad stuff accumulating in your mini split. As I mentioned, we have the Evaporator C, which will act as our soap and our residue for the cleaning of the coil in the mini split system. As well, we've curated a mini split maintenance bag, which comes with 3 strips that you will install to prevent the product being sprayed onto the paint on the back of the unit. We also have a shield for overspray when you're spraying on the front of the unit, when you're cleaning the coil. A 2-meter tube where the soap and all the grime will evacuate into a bucket. The bucket, I have to mention, is not included. We have the maintenance bag for the mini split, which measures 39 inches in length. So any units within 39 inches will be able to fit and will be accommodating to the bag. So these are the products we've curated today for our complete mini split cleaning kit. There's nothing else you need besides a bucket and perhaps a step stool, and you can get going and cleaning your mini split and make sure that everything is nice and clean. Remove dirt, mold, moisture, mildew, all the negative stuff that you have accumulate over time and through seasons. Speaking of seasons, we're doing this right now in the beginning of spring, just to freshen up things and make sure the air is clean for the summer, because we know it'll be hot and we'll be using our wall mount unit more often than not. As well, if you just had construction in your apartment, condo, or home, you might want to think of cleaning your unit of all the residue, the dirt, and all kinds of contaminants that were in the air and absorbed by the unit. If you have young children as well, it's always a good thing to make some preventative maintenance of your unit to make sure that everybody is breathing clean air. We're clean air advocates, so anything to do with cleaning and improving the air quality in your home, we're all for it. And that's exactly why we put together this complete cleaning kit. It's the only one of its kind on the market where you'll get the cleaning products in one purchase. The purchase can be made on our website directly, which is airpureshop.com, or on our Amazon store. The links and all the descriptions will be provided to you in this video, and we look forward to hearing from you about your results. So we went ahead to remove the cover. There are a simple few screws and clips on top of the unit, very easy to remove. Depending on the brand and make of your mini split unit, you'll have various ways to remove the cover. As you can see, we had 2 filters here that were found within the plastic cover. Obviously, they're quite dirty with lots of dust. You'll want to remove the dust by running it under lukewarm water and really ensuring that all the contaminants are gone. So once you put the filters back, it'll be nice and clean with your clean AC wall-mounted unit. So here we want to explain to you quickly how the maintenance bag works, how we'll be installing it for your mini split unit. First of all, we have the rounded backs here on the maintenance bag that will go up against the wall. It's an accordion or elastic type system, which adjusts up to 39 inches, as I previously mentioned. On the top of the bag, we have a Velcro strip here where you'll be placing your shield, as I mentioned, to limit all discharge and spray on your person or elsewhere in the room. We have the male part of the bag that easily clamps onto the hose for all the liquid discharge into your bucket. And finally, we have the 3 strips, as I previously mentioned, which will aid in reducing the contamination on the paint in the back of the unit. There is Velcro on the inside here, which will act as a barrier within the bag, as I said, to limit all discharge between the paint and the bag. We recommend using some sort of tape to cover the electrical part of the mini split unit, so we can eliminate the risk of the detergent being sprayed onto these cables. Here we have the protective shield, as I mentioned, where there's the Velcro strip on the top. We'll be attaching this to the bag in order to prevent all spillage and overspray. So you can gently just attach it to Velcro. As you can see, it holds quite nicely, and there's 3 holes cut out specifically if you would like to spray the solution through these holes and really limit all kinds of mess possible. We're ready with our sprayer that we've pumped 2 to 3 times and adjusted the nozzle for a nice and clean direct spray. Pumping it 2 to 3 times will allow enough pressure for the soap to come out and create a nice jet to clean the coil. We're spraying the blower wheel where a lot of the dust has been built up. As you can see, nice direct aim at the blower wheel. You'll want to adjust and look to see if you're really getting it. As you can see, there are a few drippets that really protected the overspray from coming onto me or anywhere else in the room. As you can see, we used almost half of our Evap Power C. This is going to be used for our second pass on the ductless wall mount. Once again, refilling it with portions of water and the solution. So let's go ahead and do the second pass and make sure that everything is cleaned thoroughly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to reach out to us on social media or through email. All of our information is in the description of this video, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.